How to rip avatar from Vrchat. I am going to show you how you can rip avatar from Vrchat. The first thing I can recommend if you plan on ripping people's avatars on a daily basis is setting a quick bar pin at this location. Once you have that folder open, all you need to do is set by date created, and the newest one is the avatar you just loaded. So you'll click on the one and you should see data and info. You want to select the data file and copy it to whatever drive you want to use for ripping. To get the Unity file so you can upload it to your account is a bit tricky and will require a basic amount of knowledge in Unity, but you should use an app called Asset Ripper or SARS, aka RS, to basically put the file into a Unity path. The avatar will be broken and probably crash your Unity, so you will need to find the scripts folder and delete it, which will delete the toggles but allow you to continue. This is where, if you have a basic understanding of Unity and avatar creation, you can remake the toggle as everything including meshes and sound from the avatar will still be there. Some avatars do have safeguards for anti-ripping, which you can essentially bypass with repair scripts. To pick and choose what you rip, you can choose only to reveal one person's avatar at a time, which will make it easier to make it more precisely. Do not by any means use this guide to harass people on Vrchat. The only reason I am making this is so people can regain avatars they don't have the file for, or so that they can get a specific item for the avatar.